everybody, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. I wanted to tell you about a new batch of soap that I'm making today. It is Tea Tree and Peppermint essential oil, and I'm not adding any extra colorant to it, so it'll probably be more of a cream colored bar. But tea tree has some really wonderful properties to it, and if you're not familiar with it, it is an antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. It can help with acne, it can help soothe skin, and so it's just a really favorite essential oil in a lot of homemade soaps and goat milk soaps. So also I thought maybe I would pair it with peppermint, because tea tree can have a little bit of a medicinal smell to it that maybe some people don't like. Others love it and they think it just smells clean and crisp. But I have decided to pair it with peppermint because peppermint just smells so wonderful, and it gives soap a really invigorating feel to it. So anyway, let's get started with tea tree and peppermint essential oil soap.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows. And we're all going life, still nobody knows. But I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
So I got 11 beautiful Tea Tree and Peppermint goat milk soap bars. And I can't begin to tell you how great this smells. I'm sure it will be equally as wonderful on your skin. So be sure and check out Etsy for our full line of goat milk soap bars. And you can look for this particular soap in about 6 weeks. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure and hit that like button, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and as always, we will catch you later.
Thank you.